Hello, and welcome to Safesite. The Safesite platform provides a paperless solution to help log information for safety actions, which include inspections, meetings, hazards, observations, equipment, and incidents. After safety actions are logged on our mobile app, the reports can be viewed on the Safesite admin dashboard by administrators. In this Safesite Administration Templates video tutorial, we will go over the following features: Meeting and Inspection Template Management, Safesite Library, and adding templates to safety campaigns. Before we dive into templates, let's review what the system supports today and what it doesn't support. The Safety Meetings module supports Toolbox Talks, Tailgate Talks, Safety Minutes, and Overviews. The Safety Inspections module supports equipment inspections, vehicle inspections, behavior-based inspections, and daily, weekly, and monthly inspections. The Safesite platform does not support first aid forms, employee reviews, performance improvement plans, change in relationship forms, timesheets, meeting minutes, employee lists, JHAs, logic-based forms, manuals, illustrations, and matrices. Some documents depend on how you word your questions and the logic used. Next, we will review the Safesite admin dashboard, which can be viewed from a desktop computer or a tablet. From the admin dashboard, you can reach out to customer support with any questions by selecting the chat icon at the bottom right of the screen. The book icon will lead you to Safesite's Help Center, where you can access videos and articles about the Safesite platform. On the top right of the screen, you will see your name. Clicking this will allow you to select the correct organization. Please ensure you select your company's organization before going in to create and edit meeting and inspection templates. The Templates tabs are located on the left menu under both Meetings and Inspections. Let's start by reviewing meeting templates. Click Meetings, then click Templates. The Templates menu option will open, and from here you can access the My Org tab, where you can create, view, and edit templates specific to your organization. You can also select the Safesite Library tab, where you can access all available templates with the ability to copy and edit them to make them your own. First, let's go over how to create a meeting template. Select Create Template, name the meeting by utilizing a custom name that will brand the template with the subject of the topic, then select Add Meeting Topics. From here, you can enter the meeting topic details, which include the description, jurisdiction, industry, and language. Next, you will enter the meeting topics. You can type a discussion topic or description, add link text, and add a URL optionally if you want to link to any reference documentation or videos in your meeting. After entering each topic, select Add. Keep in mind your safety team will read each topic out loud to attendees and mark each one as reviewed. If your topic has bullet points, we recommend adding one topic and then separating each bullet point using commas. Or add each bullet point as its own topic. To reorder topics, you can click and drag the icon next to the numbers. You can also delete topics. Once you have reviewed your template and are satisfied with it, select Save Changes to complete the newly created template, which will now be available under the My Org section. Select the Actions button next to the template to copy, edit, and archive the meeting templates as needed. Please note that if you would like to restore an archived template, you must reach out to Safesite's customer support. Next, let's review how to use a Safesite template by copying and editing it to make it your own. First, select Safesite Library. Then, to find the template you are looking for, you can use the search bar, organize templates by industry, and organize the templates by the language. Then, click on the Actions button once you've found the template and select Copy and Edit. You can rename the template, add topics, delete topics, reorder the topics, and once you're satisfied, click Create Template. After that, the template will be located under the My Org section. Next, we will review the inspection templates. From the left menu, select Inspections and Templates. You will see a similar layout as you did with the meeting templates, with the My Org and Safesite Library sections, as well as the Create Template button. Let's go over how to create an inspection template. First, click Create Template. Then, enter a name for your inspection template and select Create Template to continue. Add a description, jurisdiction, industry, and language. Select Update. Now build your inspection by adding sections to segment topics. Each section can have multiple questions. Click Add Section, add a section title, and click Create. After adding the sections, click Add Question to add topics for each section. Fill in your question details, including the answer types. The answer types include a check mark or X, safe or unsafe, pass or fail, yes or no, or text. You can add additional actions based on a negative answer and require observations, hazards, photos, or comments. You may also add resources, videos, or references via URL links. Click Add after each question. Use the pencil icon to edit a given field. Use the 3 lines icon to reorder existing questions. You can also delete questions or sections. Once you're finished and satisfied with your inspection template, it will automatically be saved. Click Back to Library to access the inspection template under My Org. Next, we will review how to create a campaign and add inspection and meeting templates to assign them to mobile users. From the left menu, navigate to Safety HQ and Campaigns. Select New Campaign. Start by typing a campaign title. It should describe the initiative you want to assign these actions for. Next, schedule the frequency of the campaign. Daily campaigns run from Monday through Friday and exclude the weekends. They give mobile users 24 hours to complete actions each day. Weekly campaigns start on Monday and end on a Sunday, which give mobile users 7 days to complete the assigned safety actions. As a best practice, complete weekly assigned safety actions on Mondays and Tuesdays to better impact the SafeSite score. Foresight insured clients will have weekly campaigns scheduled. Next, select the start date, which can be either immediate or at a future date. Then select the end date as ongoing or a date when you want the campaign to stop. Selecting ongoing will rotate the campaign indefinitely. Our customers often use a weekly frequency with an end date of ongoing to create a campaign with safety actions in advance. For example, you can create a monthly campaign by scheduling 4 weeks of actions that will repeat upon reaching the end of 4 weeks. Next, you will assign safety actions. Click the Add Action button to assign specific safety actions, such as inspections, meetings, observations, and hazards. You will have the option to select specific inspection and meeting topics so the mobile users can easily access them while on the field. We highly recommend you create your templates or copy and edit them from Safesite's extensive library. If you expect your mobile users to work offline, you must have templates already assigned or listed under the My Org section for them to access. Next, assign personnel to the campaign. Please note that you can only invite personnel to a campaign if they have already been invited to the project. Finally, when you're done reviewing and setting up the campaign, click Set Live, and you are all done. The campaign now is listed under Safesite HQ and Campaigns. Let's take a look at how projects and campaigns populate action cards for mobile users on the mobile app. Under the Projects tab, you can see the project that was created. When you tap on the project, you will see a list of the action cards with the inspection, observation, and meeting that were assigned from a safety campaign. Next, tap an action card. You can see the inspection template or topic that was assigned to mobile users.